This question says, through which pipe will the water flow in greater pressure? Is it pipe A, the smaller pipe on the left, pipe B, the larger pipe on the right, or if pressure will be the same, then mark C. So the only real difference between A and B is their sizes, and namely the size of their diameters. So the diameter in pipe B is much larger than that of A. But again, besides these diameters, they're essentially the same. They have the same hydrostatic pressure because they're at the same depth. So they have the same amount of water above them, which means the force exerted by the weight of all of this water will be the same. The speed of the jets will also be the same. And we know this from Torricelli's theorem, which says that the velocity of the jet will be equal to the square root of 2 times the gravitational acceleration g times the height, or the depth. So because h is the same, and g and 2 are simply constants, we know that for both A and B, they will have the same velocity. So if they have the same hydrostatic pressure, and if they have the same velocity, again, really the only difference comes as a consequence of B being larger than A. And that's because as a larger pipe, a pipe with a larger diameter, more water will flow out of it. And because there's more water flowing, then we should have a higher force. But we're concerned with the pressure. And if we recall, the pressure is equal to the force per unit area. So because even though the flow in B will be greater, and therefore the force will be greater, per unit area, the pressure will be the same. And therefore the correct answer is C.